Well, it's almost Shabbat and time for a quick building update. It's really incredible to think that we've only been here 4 weeks with construction, because as you see, it's a completely different site. So much clearing took place this week. As you see at this moment, the dump truck is pulling away additional earth. And being here on the land right now, I see expansiveness. I see the potential for growth. I see possibility. I can begin to dream what's going to be right now. And it's interesting that we're doing this during this month of Elul. Elul, of course, is when we work on our relationship with Hashem. And to me, in order to do that, the first thing you need is space. You need time. You need quiet. You need to have the expansiveness around you that just allows you to push everything else out of the way and talk to Hashem and develop a relationship from the heart. And so as we blow the shofar today on this day of Elul, right here on our new land, as the earth is being cleared at the same time, what we're thinking about is how can we clear the clutter, the extra noise, our energy being drained in places that just aren't necessary, to get to a place we are open and more connected to God and the loved ones around us. Wishing everyone a Shabbat Shalom.